Jai Hind aspirants, welcome back to SSBCrack exam channel, and here we are solving our MCQs for the Indian Geography. So today we'll be having the part 3 for the Indian Geography. Let's start with the other questions. Okay, so the first question is, in which one of the following states is Badkal Lake is located? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat. Okay, so the right answer for this particular question is Haryana. So Badkal Lake is a man-made lake and which is in the state of Haryana, about 32 kilometers from our capital of India, that is the New Delhi. Done. And बात की जाए अगर ये build कब किया गया, that was in the 1947. चलिए next question. India shares the land borders with how many countries? So basically we have to tell about the land borders. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so answer for this particular question is what? That is the 7, correct? So this is the important table in this, like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. So they are sharing the land borders with what? That is the Pakistan. Similarly, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh sharing border with the China. बिहार उत्तराखंड उत्तर प्रदेश सिक्किम वेस्ट बंगाल विद द नेपाल सिमिलरली कौन कौन से स्टेट्स बांग्लादेश के साथ करते हैं भूटान म्यांमार अफगानिस्तान दीज आर ऑल द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्ट एंड जब बात आती है श्रीलंका की सो वी ऑल नो दैट अ पर्टिकुलर लैंड बॉर्डर तो डायरेक्टली हम शेयर नहीं करते हैं डन सो यस दैट इज द क्वेश्चन सो ये स्टेट्स आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है जलपला पास इज लोकेटेड इन पंजाब हिमालय सिक्किम हिमालय कुमाऊं हिमालय या कश्मीर हिमालय जलपला पास Okay, so the answer is what? That is the Sikkim Himalayas. So ये रहा हमारा जलपला पास and उसी से ऊपर नथुला पास. Correct? So yes, the answer is Sikkim Himalayas. In Thar region, the shifting sand dunes are locally known as what? Dryans, Dors, Dhuros, या Dhaya. The shifting sand dunes. Done. So the answer for this particular question is Dryans. This is the local name. Correct? Next question. Now here we are given with some states and some with the farming area, so which you have to match it down कि असम कर्नाटका पंजाब उत्तर प्रदेश में द्वाब क्या मैदान तराई यहाँ पे किसको क्या कहते हैं सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर द्वाब चार मैदान तराई एंड स्टेट्स जो हैं दैट इज असम कर्नाटका पंजाब उत्तर प्रदेश Okay, so the answer for this particular question is what? That is B. Means 3 A के साथ हम किस पे जाएंगे दुआ we call it as in the Punjab. Then Cha, that is in the Assam. मैदान is particularly with the Karnataka and जब बात आएगी तराई की तराई is with the Uttar Pradesh only. Correct? So his answer is what? That is B. Which of the following rivers of Uttar Pradesh has been declared as a biological disaster due to the environmental pollution? Yamuna, Sai, Gomati, Tamsa. Biological disaster due to environmental pollution. What will be the right answer? Okay, so the right answer is what? That is the Gomati. So Gomati is the river that has become the most polluted river in Uttar Pradesh. Monitoring by the state authority shows that the water is unfit for even bathing, and this has been common knowledge since those are thus done. So yes, the river name is the Gomati. River Godavari is often referred to as the Vriddha Ganga. Why? It is the oldest river in the India, of its large size and extent among the peninsular rivers. There are fairly large number of pilgrimage centers situated on this river. Its length is nearly the same as that of river Ganges. So why we call it as the Vradha Ganga. A, B, C, D. What will be the right answer? Okay, so the answer is B, that is the of its large size and extent among the peninsular river, and that's why it is called as the Vradha Ganga. Which of the following factors are responsible for present crisis in the jute industry in the India? So jute industry के अंदर हमें crisis देखने को क्यों मिल रहे हैं? कुछ reasons दिए गए हैं. The decline in overseas market, inadequately supply of raw jute, stiff competition from synthetic packing materials. So what are the true reasons for that? कि हमें crisis देखने को मिल रहे हैं. Decline in overseas market, inadequate supply of raw jute, stiff competition from the synthetic packing materials. Yes, the answer is 1 and 2 only. Done. So decline of the overseas market and then inadequate supply of raw jute. So answer is A. Correct. Which of the following types of soil are mostly confined to river basins and the coastal plains of India? So this is something question on the basis of soil types. Alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, red soil. Okay, so the answer is alluvial soils. We are talking about the river basins and coastal plains. For sure, हमें क्या मिलेगा वहाँ पे? Alluvial soil, that is a fertile soil. Okay, next question. Which of the following groups accounts for over 90% of the India's annual coal production? So question is particularly for the coal production. So Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. 90% of the India's annual coal production. क्या होगा आंसर? Okay, so the answer for this particular question is Bihar, Odisha and West Bengal. Correct. So they contribute to the 90% of the coal production. The natural region which holds the Indian subcontinent is equatorial climate change region, hot desert, monsoonal region या Mediterranean. Equatorial climate change region, hot desert, monsoon, Mediterranean. Done. So yes, sir, we are talking about the Indian subcontinent. For sure, the answer will be monsoonal region. Which of the following rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Godavari, Tapi, Kaveri, Kabam. Which of the following rivers of India does not originate from Western Ghats? So this is the question on the basis of the source of origin of what rivers? Okay, so the answer is Tapti or Tapi river. Correct. And which of the following rivers upper course contains a fresh water but saline water flowing at the lower part? So starting में upper course में fresh water होता है and जैसे नीचे आता है so वो saline हो जाता है. Which is the river? Barak, Luni, Ghagar, none of the above. Okay, so the answer is Luni river for sure. Correct. So Luni river ही upper course में it's like a fresh water and then उसके बाद क्या हो जाती है saline. Which of the following areas or regions is the most prone to earthquakes? Ganga Brahmaputra Valley, Deccan Plateau, plains of northern India, Western Ghats. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquakes? ओके सो द अर्थक्वेक के लिए सबसे ज्यादा प्रोन एरिया रहता है गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र वैली करेक्ट चलिए विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ रिवर हैव देयर सोर्स ऑफ ओरिजिन इन तिब्बत एक हमने वेस्टर्न घाट्स के लिए क्वेश्चन किया सो ब्रह्मपुत्र गेंग सतलज गंगा सतलज यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र इंडस सतलज चिनाब रावी सतलज तिब्बत में बात करनी है okay so the answer is what that is the brahmaputra indus and Sutlej. So they are having their origin where that is in the tibet next question the reservoir gb pansagar is located on which river betwa gagra kosi rihan gb pant sagar betwa gagra kosi rihan yes the answer is what that is the rihan so govind balla pansagar that is on the river rihan done and this is the further tributary of the Son river. In India, glacial terraces known as karevas are found in Saptkoshi Valley, Jhelum Valley, Alaknanda Valley, and Teesta Valley. Karevas. And they are very famous for one thing that is called the saffron. It is called as locally. Normally, a variety of a saffron. Kesar. ठीक है लेकिन locally वहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं saffron. ZA. Correct? So his answer is Jhelum Valley, Jammu Kashmir. Which of the following three rivers of the peninsula India have the Amarkantak region as their source? नर्मदा कृष्णा गोदावरी सोन महानदी नर्मदा गोदावरी कृष्णा कावेरी चंबल बेतवा लूनी ओके सो द आंसर इज व्हाट दैट इज द सोन महानदी नर्मदा ठीक है तो ये सारी देखो ये रही सोन दिस इज द नर्मदा सो दे आर हैविंग देयर ओरिजिन फ्रॉम वेयर दैट इज द अमरकंटक रीजन करेक्ट चलिए which one of the following river joins ganga directly chambal son betwa ken which one of the following rivers join ganga directly chambal son betwa ken okay so answer is b that is the so ये रही सी दिस इज द सोन रिवर ये रही हमारी गंगा रिवर सी डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन कर रही है ठीक है चलिए which one among the following Indian rivers originates in the Maharashtra and flows through Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh to meet the Bay of Bengal and Andhra coast इंडियन रिवर ओरिजिनेट करती है महाराष्ट्र से फ्लो करती है कर्नाटक आंध्र प्रदेश से और मिलती है बे ऑफ बंगाल से जाके दैट इज इन द आंध्रा कोस्ट गंगा कावेरी कृष्णा गोदावरी okay so the answer is krishna correct so originated from maharashtra flows through karnataka andhra pradesh and meets bay of bengal correct chale which among the following rock system in india is also known as the storehouse of the minerals archean rock system dharwad system kadapa system vindhyan system storehouse of the minerals okay so answer is the dharwad system done so this is also called as the what storehouse of the minerals next question buddha nala has been the main source of pollution of which among the following rivers so you should know that buddha nala hai kahan par chambal satluj yamuna gandak Okay, so the answer is what? That is the Sutlej, correct? So Budhanala is situated at which river? That is at the river Sutlej, correct? Which of the following was the former name of Gulmarg hill station? Girija Marg, Gauri Marg, Gargi Marg, Gopika Marg. Which of the following was the former name of Gulmarg hill station? Yes, the answer is Gauri Marg, correct? Last question. Sohra is the local name of which of the following hill stations? Pachmadi, Chirapunji, Molinong, Yashanong. Sohra. Okay, so it is the local name of Chirapunji, correct? So that is all with the part 3 of the Indian geography. I hope we have completed many questions on these 3 parts of the geography. अभी आपके स्क्रीन पे कुछ कोर्सेज फॉर एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट, सीएपीएफ, आप इन सब में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। जब भी ज्वाइन करें उस टाइम पे आपका डिस्काउंट कोड जो कि वॉरियर 10 बिल्कुल भी लगाना ना भूलें। यू विल बी गेटिंग द 10% ऑफ। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस लेक्चर ऑन एमसीक्यूज फॉर द इंडियन ज्योग्राफी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।